Where are we going?
We are going to English Bay.
For what?
Go see the celebration of lights.
Celebration of lights, yay! This place is a freaking crazy place, and we have to pee, and we might be a little intoxicated. Okay, so we're here now. We found a spot. It's kind of shitty, but eventually it will be not shitty.
It's not shitty.
And I'll give you a glimpse of people walking in front of us. We'll see some good fireworks here. Are you videotaping me? Because that's weird, because I'm videotaping you. Video inception! Hey! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Come on.
What? Oh my god.
What? An airplane? No, I wouldn't want to be that.
We should be like, are you a taxi? Should we get in there? Will you take me home? It's gonna be like the all-new Muff Dive.
Oh god, I don't know if I can do this.
You don't. No, you gotta have the bib, or else you're gonna get all over your shirt.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't have a hair tie. It's gonna suck.
Woo! Wow, that was really good. Ow. Fence hurt me. Do you see it? Ow.
Fence hurts.
Fence hurt. This is fence.
That's a fence.
Fence. Ow. I can't see you. Oh, there's a step. There's a step. We know all too well how that step treats us. It's not a nice step.
I fall. One time, and that I can't. No.
Me and Liz were just like, I looked at her, I was like, I wonder if I could piggyback you. And she's just like, man, we're not going with a step.
See, I could have done it. Why are you dancing like that?
Why would you just have your business open like this? I could get in there and just steal anything. All going to Maynard. What?
Are you vlogging?
No! Again? Liz!
That was a legitimate question though. Where are you?
Sometimes people will come. Oh my god, I had 2 people come up to me yesterday and go, "You should smile because there's so many happy things in the world."
And you're like, I am smiling.
I was like, I am smiling. You should be more happy. I'm fucking happy.
Did you
Why
start
look
yelling?
like that?
Ah, I was dropped. happening? What do you mean it's 19? It's not the 19. I'm drinking.
Oh, it's going right to our stop. Come on.
This is terrible decaf coffee.
I'm tired.
I just want to film it.
We've been drinking for too long. Yes, please.
Vancouver frontrunners with approximately 100. Next up, we have the Children's Wish Foundation of Canada. Children of the Worldwide Band Association is proud to play.
Touch yourself regularly. Touch yourself right now. I'm doing it. Come on, know your breasts, know your balls. Let's go.
Know your breasts and know your balls. Next up, we have the Vancouver Halloween Parade and Expo.
So we have to do a quick last minute run to the school because Ryan has a project due.
Hold on, I'm getting dressed.
Oh. Ryan has a project due tonight at 12 p.m. It is now 10:53 and we're running out of time. I'm running out of time. But Liz is gonna come save my ass.
Yeah.
Yay! College life.
Freedom Eagles and everything else. Beat that, Christina Aguilera.